Wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's the first time over here, what we do over here is to analyze the financial market, like chop it up into pieces, so each and everyone can understand. Tradingview Thursdays. You know we do it on a Thursdays right now, right? So today, we're gonna look at how to set up your watch list in Tradingview. So let's dive straight into it. Alright guys, watch list, right? So the watch list is something that's gonna appear on the right side of your screen, right? So right now I have some things in my watch list. So I'm gonna show you how simple this works. If you want to add something to your watch list, like have this New Zealand yen right here, right? Watch me now. All you're gonna do is just click this plus button right here, right? And you're gonna type in NZD JPY, right? And you go bam, right? You add it. Right, close this off, and there it goes. It's right there within your watch list. So you want to watch it to see what it's doing, right? That way you could switch in between, right? So you have, like, if I wanted to click to Nasdaq, right there, about look at that, I can just simply go back to NZD JPY. So why you want a watch list? You want a watch list to narrow down the things that you have marked up for the week. So you just want it close by, right? And you could easily remove the watch list by clicking here. Bam. Charts open up a little bit more, and you could click it back right there, and that's your watch list right there, right? So another thing I should tell you about the watch list that a lot of people don't know, you could also sectionize your watch list. So right here we have pairs, right? Say that I want to, these are like GBP, right? Say that I want to do something like this. I could go like add section, right? And I could call this, rename this, and call this pound pairs, right? Does that make sense? We call this pound pairs, guys, right? And I could just like move this down here, right? And bam, I got all the pound pairs right there. And I could call this like USD pairs, etc., 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 right? And if you want to get rid of the sections, you could just go here and get rid of the section. So that's a cool thing about the watch list. You could like set up your watch list, and you could put your watch list in different categories. All right, thank you guys for watching. And if there's anything in Tradingview you'd like to see me cover, please comment below, and I'll try my very best to assist you. Or if you have any questions in general, just shoot me a DM on social media. All my contact information is in the description below. And if you're not on social media, that's okay. Just shoot me an email, and I'll try my very best to assist you. Big up to everyone, and enjoy the rest of your week. I'm out.